Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today's battle will be between Hell Kerbecs BD-145 Defense Sharp versus Lightning L Drago 100 Hold Flat. Battle will be five points to determine the winner. So let's get on to the battle. Round one. Go. A battle you would see much. Just a very curious battle to see who would win between these two antagonists in the Beyblade, the Metal Series. Round one. I think for round one it's gonna be Hell Kerbecs round, stamina wise. We got him slightly circling around Lightning L Drago. Those early shots really drained El Drago's power there. I'm spinning around. And round one goes to Hell Kerbecs. Round two. There you go. It's a draw. Redo of round two. And it's 2 points to 0. There we go. Got him circling around. Lightning L Drago really needs to land those big hits in the beginning of the round. If not, I just don't believe he'll take the win. Because Kerbecs' stamina and defense are just a very good level compared to most stock combo Beyblades. Got some barrage attacks there. Kerbecs just defended it all. It's 3-0. Round four. Round four, Lightning L Drago manages to knock out of the stadium. 3-1. Almost got him there. That was a near stadium out. Slightly a near stadium out. Kerbecs just showing that defense. More barrage attacks, no effect. So it's 4-1. I'm gonna switch Lightning L Drago's mode to upper attack mode. Maybe he can manage a comeback. There we got the mode change. There you go. Alright, 4-2. Four, 3. Wait, that was a bad launch at the beginning. Let's just give him one more chance at it. To draw there. Another draw. And you got the winner. So today's winner will be Hell Kerbecs. I think I might give this battle a rematch for Lightning L Drago just for the change of the mode. It seems more effective in upper attack mode. Maybe in a future battle he can manage to pull the win against Hell Kerbecs, but for today, Hell Kerbecs is the winner. So thank you guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos on there. We got Beyblade Burst, we got Beyblade X, we got Metal Fight, and we'll be posting later on some K-pop unboxings and reviews of albums and stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.